Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I will show you how to center text in a text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to center text in the text box. Firstly we insert a text box. Go to the insert menu and click text box option. Then insert a text box and write anything on this text box. Now we select the text, click and drag on your mouse and go to the home menu. Then align center, and we can see we align center text in a text box very easily. You can change the text box color or outline color. Click the text box and go to the format menu. Then click shape style drop down menu and apply any style, and you can use shape fill color or apply shape outline. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.